you must give a thumbs up to this video because we will talk about Thumzup. Hello folks, I am your host Rajni Bharara and you're watching Mobile App Daily. We love to create content. In fact, we are the cool influencers of society. But what if brands pay you for your content? Sounds like Instagram, but a lot different. This video is for advertisers and influencers who are ready to get connected for brand promotion. For advertisers, Thumzup activates real people to post genuine product reviews and testimonials on social media, which may enhance brand awareness and reach target consumers more directly. And for individuals like us, this app is cash incentivizing for just posting branded content. Sounds money interesting, right? You can sign up as an influencer or as an advertiser. If you are an advertiser, you can ask individuals to promote your brand by creating a campaign. Any user as a content creator can sign up and search for the available campaigns, select one, post promotional content and get paid once the brand approves of the content. Apart from this, creators will see a horizontal and a vertical panel on the homepage. The horizontal one will show the services brands available online to review. The vertical panel will show brand stores in the nearby location of related creators. One can select any of the two to post a photo or video on social media and get paid by the related brand. Cash payments are made to app users through Venmo and PayPal. This cool app is for marketers who are getting feedback and promotion through their brand loyal real people. And creators like us, what's better than getting some pennies, right? Tell us in the comment section below what you think about this app. Also, give us a thumbs up and please like the video and subscribe for more such mind-blown content.